Welcome, I'm Jason with Cerakote. Today we're going to talk about Cerakote wash bottles. These wash bottles are great for the cleaning process where we're cleaning our spray guns, strainers, and graduated cylinders. Cleaning is a very important step in the Cerakote process because you got to take care of your tools. Let's step into the training room and demonstrate how to use the Cerakote wash bottles. Hopefully you found how helpful this handy little wash bottle is for keeping your tools and equipment clean. For more information, visit Cerakote.com.